Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with a $1 purchase I got at a yard sale. We're going to go ahead and, I haven't tried to pick either of these yet. Let's go ahead and see if we can get into these, or what it takes anyway. Let's use the long end here. Let's try that. That might help a little bit. All right, we're going to try a thicker tension wrench here. Tension wrench. Up 2. 3. Back to 2. Oh, not yet. Huh. Doesn't seem to want to work, does it? Alright, let's try this guy. Alright. Well, see, that's all you need is the right tension wrench. I got that guy off there. So that's off of that chain. And let's try our master lock number 5. Alright, let's see, wrong tension wrench again. And just for S&Gs, we're going to see if we can't rake this guy open. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. So that's all it took with the brinks. We just needed the right tension wrench. And of course, master lock number 5, like always, you can just rake that open. So thank you so much for watching, folks. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.